If you're passionate about running or looking to add running to your fitness regimen, you probably know how essential it is to have the right shoes. It can make all the difference in comfort, performance, and injury prevention. As I incorporate running into my workout split, I quickly realized the importance of finding the shoes that fit my specific needs. There are so many brands and styles to choose from, let alone the constant exposure to trends on social media. It can be overwhelming to choose the right one for you.
In this video, I'll make it my mission to explore the different options out there and learn how to choose the best shoes when it comes to running.
This video will highlight what you should be looking for to find the perfect fit, because the best shoes for you is the one that fits well and feels comfortable during your runs. Will I be able to find something that looks good and feels good too? Let's find out.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I am so excited to have you here today because we are going to go and shop for running shoes. I have been incorporating running into my fitness routine lately just to improve my cardio, and also because I really enjoy it. I love the way it makes me feel. I have come to the conclusion that I really need specific running shoes to make sure that I don't get injured, and also because, let's be honest, it is an amazing motivation to have new workout gear. So we are going to go on a hunt today, and I have seen so many best running shoes online. I am going to go in store to try them out. There are a few shoes that I have been researching. So the Nike Pegasus 40, the Lululemon Blissfeel, the New Balance Fresh Foam, the ASICS Gel Nimbus 26, the Hoka, because I've seen Hoka everywhere on socials, and then the Brooks Ghost, the On Cloudstratus. These are the ones that I've seen everywhere, have come up in my research. Even though these shoes are like the best running shoes in 2024, I feel like it really depends on your specific needs. We are going to go and try these shoes together, and let's go shopping. Unfortunately, the Lululemon that I went to doesn't have the running shoes. So if I don't find anything that I like today, I might just order them online and return them if it doesn't work. I'm waiting for the other store to open. They open at 10, so in like a few minutes to go try other few shoes. And if it doesn't fit there, I still have another place that I want to go and take a look at.
In the second store, I got completely overwhelmed because the selection of running shoes was too much and I didn't know where to begin. Feeling lost, I ended up wandering over the workout clothes section instead. That's when I realized I needed more help. I decided to go to a specialized running store, one where they actually make you run to see what best type of shoes fits your need. Top 5 things to look for in running shoes, aside from aesthetics: comfort and fit, cushioning, support, breathability, and weight.
Obviously, there is so much more than just these 5 points, but I feel like these ones are the most important. First off, comfort and fit. Obviously, you want the shoes to be comfortable as soon as you put it on. You don't want to have any break in period, and you also want them not to be too tight because your feet are going to swell when you run. As for cushioning, a beginner will definitely enjoy having a lot of cushion in their shoes because it will absorb the impact while you run. As for support, it definitely depends on the type of feet that you have. Most of us enjoy having a neutral support in their shoes, but once again, that is probably why you want to have the help of someone who works in this specific type of store, because they are going to be able to tell you what type of support your shoes needs to have in order for you to enjoy them as much as possible. Breathability, because you want your feet to stay comfortable and cool throughout your run. And finally, weight, because a lighter pair of shoes is definitely more comfortable for a beginner compared to something that weights you down throughout your run.
Using expert advice for this was definitely helpful.
Find a shoes that fit well, feels comfortable, and meet your specific need. My advice would be to definitely get the help of someone who works in that industry and is used to analyzing running so that you can find the perfect pair of shoes for you. There is no one-size-fits-all best shoes overall in 2024 for every single one of us. Every person has a specific type of running, and there is a specific shoe for every specific type of running.
The only issue was that I didn't love the look of the shoes that suit my needs. I went online to find a cute color and found this very cute pair in white and very pale lilac. They looked amazing, so I ordered them. Let's talk about why I chose the Gel Nimbus 26 from ASICS. They have an engineer knit upper, and this means that it fits well and is breathable, and it's great for long runs. It has a thin thong that doesn't create any pressure point and a big heel tab that makes it easy to put on. There's a lot of padding around the heels, keeping my foot secured and comfortable. They have a better traction on different surfaces, even in wet condition, and they are really lightweight at 261 grams, so it doesn't feel heavy during my runs. Overall, the ASICS Gel Nimbus 26 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for comfort, durability, and good cushioning in running shoes. I'm gonna put you up here. I literally just came back from this 30-minute run with my new shoes, and I have to say I love them. I know that it is going to be a little bit of adjustment because they are different from the one that I had for the past 10 years. I can definitely tell you that they are really cushiony. I love the way it feels when I run. That is it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel and myself as a content creator. My dog says hi. Give it a thumbs up for the dog. If you're new, welcome. I'm so excited that you are here. I will see you in my next video. I love you. Have a great day. Bye.